In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some healthy ice cream sandwich recipes. It is so delicious, so easy to make, and the cookie is like perfectly soft. And then we have some dairy-free vanilla ice cream. It is just so good, perfect for summertime. It's gonna be your new staple. Let's go ahead and jump in. So we're gonna start off by making the soft chocolate chip cookies. So I'm using some coconut oil and adding that to a bowl along with some nut butter, and you can use any kind of nut or seed butter that you have on hand. And this combo really helps to keep them nice and soft and chewy for our ice cream sandwiches. I'm adding in a little bit of coconut sugar and maple syrup, and then we are going to stir this together until it is nice and smooth. Now, I wouldn't recommend fully melting the coconut oil because otherwise your batter will come out too runny. I'm adding in a flax egg to keep these cookies plant-based, but you can definitely use a regular egg if you like to, or if that's what you have on hand. I'm adding in a little bit of vanilla for flavor, and then a mixture of tapioca flour and almond flour, which not only helps to add some great healthy fats, but also adds a great texture to these cookies while keeping them lower in sugar. I'm adding in some chocolate chips. I just use the dairy-free Camino ones. These are sugar-free, and they just have two ingredients, cocoa and cocoa mass. So then take your baking sheet, and I lined mine with a silicone mat, but if you don't have that, just line it with some parchment paper or make sure you grease it. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out evenly sized cookies onto our baking mat. And these cookies are delicious just on their own, so definitely feel free to make them just to enjoy as cookies, but they also make the perfect ones for ice cream sandwiches because they are nice and soft and chewy. So after we bake those, make sure to allow them to cool completely. And everything will be listed in the description in terms of measurements, but if you don't allow them to cool completely, the ice cream will melt fairly quickly. So I would say allow them to cool even the day before or for a couple hours. I'm using this dairy-free ice cream from Nadamu and putting that between two of them, and then putting it on the side with some chocolate chips. And I love these because we really cut down on the sugar by using almond flour and tapioca, and then I'm using sugar-free chocolate chips as well that still give it that chocolate flavor without adding a ton of sugar. And then we have a delicious dairy-free ice cream. And if you don't have dairy-free ice cream near you, I will leave links to 3 different videos I have on how to make your own non-dairy ice cream at home. There are also some flavors in there like cookie dough ice cream, mint chip, blueberry, all that kind of stuff. So if you're looking for some great flavored dairy-free ice creams, I will leave that in the description. But honestly, this is the perfect healthy summer treat. We've got chewy, gooey cookies with ice cream and chocolate chips. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to download my free healthy dessert ebook that has all of my top desserts that you don't want to miss. I'm also going to leave my last healthy dessert video here on the screen so you can get lots more deliciousness coming your way that just happens to be healthy. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.